Hello friends, welcome back to Analyzing Stock Market. So today I'll be talking about XAU USD pair, that is gold USD pair, and we'll do the forex analysis for 20th to 24th April 2026. So let's go straight to a chart. So first let's see what happened in gold USD on Friday. So as you can see, 0.86% positive move, 4831.74 was the closing on Friday. So now I'll be talking about what is going to happen in coming week. Even I'll be marking some important support zone and resistance zone which will help you to take better stop loss and target levels according to your bias for this week. So let's go straight to a chart first. So let's open a weekly chart over here. So here this is a weekly chart. Currently in this weekly chart we can see a good bullish candle with a big body and a small lower wick and a small upper wick. If I talk about the stochastic RSI is around 1321 level, which is indicating as a positive momentum. But remember, as we always say, we should not only look for RSI or other indicators, we should also look for other factors which moves the pair, like any news or important events, and then make a decision according to that data. So now let's mark some important support zone and resistance zone on a one-day chart. So here, this is a one-day chart currently. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, do consider subscribing to my channel. Click on the bell icon so that you don't miss any videos that I upload on my channel. So currently some important support zones and resistance zones are already marked, but there are some changes in the pattern during a previous week momentum. So here I'm doing the changes in, so you can also do the same changes on your chart as well. So now let's talk about the closing first. So here 4831 is the closing. Here the direct support is 4791, direct resistance is 4841. After direct support there is a support of 4750 and then 4700. After direct resistance there is a resistance of 4895 and then 4940. So these are two important support zones and resistance zone which will help you to take better stop loss and target levels for this week. So do mark these levels on your chart as well. So now before I talk about my opinion, if you're from India and thinking that how can I trade forex market from India, then I have already shared prop firm links in the description where you can open your account from there and get funded. I also shared a discount coupon code which will help you to take better discounts on any challenges that you buy from those platforms. I have mentioned all the discounts in the description as well as in the comment box, so you can directly use those coupon as well. So before you start or you buy any challenges, if you want to know what is funded account, or if you don't know what is funded account or prop firm, I have already made a dedicated video on what is prop firm, how it works, and what are the rules that you have to follow to get funding. I've already shared those in my forex playlist. Do consider checking that out as well. So now let's talk about my opinion in gold USD for this week. So here 4831 is the closing. So according to previous week momentum, I'm expecting a negative closing or a kind of a sideways closing in this range, that is in for no trading zone. But because I am a kind of in a negative scenario, this looks like a negative scenario because there is a gap here between these levels as well. As you can see, from Monday till Wednesday there is a gap between these levels. So I'm expecting that the gold will fill these gaps. So here I'm expecting overall closing in this range till Friday, but we can see a momentum till this level, which is 4791 to 4750. So overall my expectation was a bit negative in this range. If you're going for any long trade, then only go for a long trade once 4841 gets breached and a 4-hour or 1-day candle gets closed above this, and you can go for a long till this level as well. But my expectation is a bit negative closing till Friday or on Friday in this range, and we can expect a momentum till this range as well. So overall my expectation is a bit negative. What are your expectations? Do let me in the comment section. If you did like my analysis, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Also, if you think these prop firms have a very strict rules, then you can also open your account from a live broker, which is GTCFX. I already given a link in the description. Also, if you're interested in opening or joining my private membership, which is absolutely free, then you can contact me on my WhatsApp number. I will share you the details how you can join it. So if you're interested, do contact me on my WhatsApp number. If you did like my analysis, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.